Hello guys, please subscribe to my channel. Today we will learn how to resize our image on Canva. So when you launch your Canva application, this is how it will look like. To resize our image, let's start. You go to customize image, you click customize image, and you type the type of image or the size of image you want to resize it. So you type it here. For mine, I want to resize mine to 250 by 250. So let's start. 250 by 250. So let's start. You click here, 250 by 250. You click design new. Here, when you come here, so this is 250 by 250 site. This is 250 by 250 size you want to resize. So you upload the image you want to resize. This is the image I want to resize. So I'll click on the image and I'll drag the image to the size. When you click on the image size, you then enlarge it to the part, to the ends. You enlarge it to the end. You enlarge it. Yes. So when you finish, you come here, share. When you come to share, you come to download. You will see the size that you want to resize has appeared. So when you see that, it means the image has been resized. Depend the size you want, 500 by 500, whatever. So this is mine. I want 250 by 250. So this is the size I want. Then download. Yes, and when you download, so I'll go to download on my PC. So download. And this is the image. So I'll put my cursor on it. You see, 250 by 250. That's the dimension. So this is how you can resize your image or your picture on Canva. Please subscribe to my channel for more information, for more education. Please subscribe. Thank you.